If you're retired or planning to retire soon, the decision you make today could determine whether your savings survive the next crash. A few months ago, David and Linda Carlson, a retired couple from Sarasota, Florida, rolled over exactly $538,760 from their 401k into a Gold IRA. Why? Because their dividend stocks weren't cutting it anymore, and they saw the writing on the wall. And if you've seen the headlines lately, you know what they saw. According to Bloomberg, over $11 trillion was wiped from the global stock market in the last year alone. Dividend payouts are down, corporate earnings are shaky, and the Fed still playing a dangerous balancing act between inflation and interest rates. Now, most retirees were told that dividend stocks are safe. You live off the yield, right? But what happens when that yield dries up, or when your principal takes a nosedive? Let me ask you, how safe is that really? I'm not here to bash dividend stocks. They've worked for decades. But let's be real. We're not in the same economy we were 20 years ago. Not even close. When banks collapse seemingly overnight, when inflation silently shaves off the value of your dollar year after year, you start to realize security isn't about chasing returns. It's about preserving what you've already earned. That's exactly what David and Linda realized. David spent 35 years as an engineer. Linda worked part-time while raising their 2 kids. They weren't looking to get rich in retirement. They just wanted peace of mind. But after watching their dividend portfolio drop by 18% last year, while their income fell, they knew something had to change. A friend told them about a free Gold IRA guide, something they hadn't even considered before. No pressure, no gimmicks, just one short educational call. And suddenly, they saw the big picture. They realized that gold doesn't rely on corporate profits, board meetings, or quarterly earnings. It's not some maybe next year strategy. Gold is real, tangible wealth that's held its value for thousands of years. And with a Gold IRA, they could move a portion of their retirement into physical gold while keeping all the tax benefits of their traditional IRA. Now their Gold IRA isn't replacing their entire portfolio, it's their anchor. And here's the thing, their story started with that free guide. Look, if you're an American retiree with over $100,000 saved in a 401k or IRA, you owe it to yourself to get the facts. Not sales pitches, not free silver gimmicks, just straight personalized education from experts who understand what's really happening out there. We're talking one-on-one, no obligation conversations. You'll walk away knowing if it's a good fit for you, and if it's not, no hard feelings. But if it is, it could be the smartest move you make this decade. Because at the end of the day, you've worked way too hard for your retirement to let it vanish in the next market downturn. So let me leave you with this. Security isn't about gambling on Wall Street's next move. It's about protecting your family, your future, and your legacy. That's what David and Linda chose. And that choice began with a simple step: grabbing the free Gold IRA guide. Take that step now. It could change everything.